Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host here, Gigi Face, and guys, I am glad that you have showed up to my summertime afternoon tea party. Now, I have my fascinator on. I have on my pearls, and I have on all the cute top. Yes, I am at my home, and I welcome you all here. We are going to share with you guys today some amazing ideas as to how you too can style out your table for an afternoon summertime tea party. Yes, we want you guys to have some fun. We want you to sit back and relax. So go ahead and pause this video. If you don't have your fascinator already, go ahead and grab it. Just act like you are part of the celebration, that you're already here, because I welcome you. I welcome you here. So I want you to feel like you are here. We're gonna have some fun. Now, I've already decorated my table because it's part of a collaboration, and when there's a collaboration, you know, I don't like to spend a lot of time just showing you exactly how I've decorated my table. But if you're interested, I do have other videos that I will include in the iCard and in my description box below. Now, today's video is part of a collaboration and is hosted by my dear beautiful sister on this YouTube platform, and that is Luxury Living by N. You heard what I said. Yes, Luxury Living by N. Her home is amazing. The content that she creates, that she presents to the world, is so fascinating. Just beautiful decor. Her home is so amazing. It looks like magazine quality. Also, her co-host, Glamour Ellen, My Style, My Color Soleil, beautiful homes, beautiful table decor. Don't want you to miss out, so make sure you check them out. But while you're here with me, I welcome you. Go ahead, grab your tea, your whatever it is you want to drink, get your snack, sit back, put on your fascinator, your cute top, your pearls, whatever you want to do. Just feel like you're a part of it. And if you want to be a part of this family, just make sure you hit that subscribe button, tap the notification bell twice, so you'll always be notified of any and all up and coming videos that are created on this channel here. Guys, hit the notification bell twice so you get the notification, and then give me a big thumbs up. You can do that now. It's okay. Right now, you can hit the thumbs up. That lets YouTube know that you love and appreciate what we're sharing with you guys. All right, guys, continue to enjoy. Go ahead, put on your fascinator. Come on now, be a part of it. All right, guys, love and appreciate you all. And for those of you that continue to show me so much love and support, a big old virtual hug for you. Okay, guys, let's start with the reveal of my afternoon tea setup. Now, part of the requirements for this collaboration was to include real or faux flowers. Use your fine china. Add food if you chose to, and have fun. So I had so much fun putting this arrangement together. As you can see, I do have faux flowers as well as some real picks that I removed from my bouquet of flowers that I received for Mother's Day. Now, I do love adding these wisteria bushes when I think of decorating for my tea party or tea gathering. A summertime afternoon tea party over at the Fascinator. And guys, one thing I want you to do is to sit back, relax, enjoy your tea. And if you haven't gathered it yet, go ahead, pause this, grab your tea, your fascinator, go ahead and put that on, or your hat, and just join in as if you are dining at my table. Now, the requirements was to use fine china. Well, I may not have the finest of china, but I do have some luxe pieces here as we view this beautiful waterfall crystal glass vase here. And this was a gift to me. Absolutely gorgeous here. Look at the design, the style of it is just so amazing. a very, very beautiful. It's a very heavy piece, and I love it. I want to go out and make sandwiches that my husband and I were not going to eat. I didn't purchase any scones or anything like that. I'm using what I have on hand, and these are the macaroons and the Turkish delights. And I have these in this little crystal tray that is here. And I placed it on top of these tiered, or this cake stand, and I just made them as a tiered cake stand. And those gems, the way they reflect on the light is absolutely gorgeous, guys. And you all know I love starting from my center. So we have the tablecloth. I chose to use white because I want it to be very bright, very elegant, and refreshed. As I stated, I want you guys to be able to sit back and relax and just enjoy the beauty of this fine dining. And then here we have the candles for the ambiance of the center. And we're going to continue to move throughout the center here and just show you what I have displayed. Now I do have my tea kettle here, also in the center. And I just added my little crystal dishes that you may want to put either your sugar or lemon or milk or whatever you choose to use. So now we're going to move over to the place settings, and I'm going to share with you, these are the Laura Ashley place setting, and I have this gorgeous charger plate here. Next we have our dinner plate, our salad bowl or soup bowl, salad plate, saucer, and this cup. And the design on this is absolutely beautiful. We've placed our flatware here, and I chose to use my two-tone flatware with my crystal knife holder, our crystal water glass. Over on our left, we have our dinner napkin with this gorgeous pearl and diamond napkin ring, and our forks are to the left. Now guys, this makes up my summertime afternoon tea setup. I hope you have enjoyed what I've shared with you. Don't forget to check out the host, and that's Luxury Living with Ann, and our co-host Glamour Ellen, and my Style My Colors Soleil. Their channel links will be in my description box. Please go over, pay them a visit, and let them know that you were sent from this channel. I welcome you all. I thank you for stopping by. Hope you have enjoyed having afternoon tea with me. I'm your host, your Styling with Gigi Faison.